Hi, this is James Annell for Modularity Team Sprint 28. This is an update for DNF client prototype. Again, it's a very simple prototype so we can see what the interface looks like, what we need to present to the user, what the pros and cons are of various things. We've still got it in the Docker image, so if you just want to play with it, you can again just update the Docker image, run it. Everything is automatic at this point, which is one of the features, so that it will download module data from the repos it's connected to. You can set that up in a VM or on your local machine as well if you want. Or even if we get MBS working at some point, we can hopefully get actual modules straight from there and put into another repo, and it should all just work. The other main change to the DNF client this time is that we have install profiles for modules. Initially, for the past couple of years, the idea with the install profiles was there would just be a sub-selection of the RPMs provided by the module, which was fine. You could then, have a full Apache install, a small Apache install, a debug info install, whatever, and those would be different install profiles. However, now, very recently, they've changed the profile install so that it's a multiple selection. So now we can we have a single module, but we can have different profiles installed at the same time from the same module. This is somewhat problematic, I think, from the user interface, but this is what the update is to show and to look at it. So here we have the list, and you can see that again, we've got the module, the stream, and the version, and there's the same stream, different version, different stream, and versions. And this bit is showing the install profiles available. If we have a look at the module itself, it can show us, again, we've only got one summary, one description, one set of RPMs, but we have two profiles now. And we can have a look at the profiles themselves. And you can see that the default profile has got ed in it, and the James profile has got ZSH in it. So we can now install the James profile, and it's happy to do that. And now we have installed the module. If we have a look, but the default profile is still available, and we've only installed the James profile. If we then install, we can have a look at the info again, and it will tell us that one's installed, that one isn't. And again, this one's installed, and the default profile, which has got different packages in, is not installed. So we can then install the default profile. It says there we're going to install default profile, and it's installing the package from the default profile, which is all fine. And again, we've now got both installed, and that's great. The problem is, as I said, we only have one summary, one description to explain the module itself, but now we have two different profiles that install different sets of packages and kind of different use cases, different descriptions you would want. We do kind of have use cases for that, and that's why we've done this functionality, but again, it seems very bad to me, and we would want to actually split those into separate modules. But anyway, that's it for this demo. As I said, if you want to have a look at it yourself, the easiest way to do it is to have a look at the Docker image.